Assalamualaikum. Grade 3 students online with computers. Grade 3, now we are going to start chapter number 8, logo commands. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to describe turtle position, use forward command, use backward command, use right left command, use CS, CT, ST and HT commands, draw figures in logo. When we start logo on the computer screen, the turtle appears in the center of the screen. And this position of turtle in which it appears in the center of screen is known as home. And you can move the turtle in any direction to draw figures like forward, backward, left and right. The pointed end of the turtle is called head and the bottom part of turtle is known as tail. And logo uses simple commands to move the turtle around the screen such as forward, backward, left and right etc. Let us study about these commands. First one is forward command. Forward means FT or FT means forward. Forward command moves the turtle forward by the given number of steps. Like to start forward command, follow the given step. First step is start MSW logo. Click the left mouse button in the commander input box. Type forward by using keyboard, press space key once and then type a number such as 5, 10 and 20. Like this. For example, forward space number of steps. This is also an example of forward command. The number that you type after this space bar tells the turtle how many steps to move. Like FT50, it tells the turtle to move 50 steps in forward direction. After typing the command, click on execute button or press enter key to create a drawing on the screen. It is important to press space bar key after typing FD command. If you don't do this, then the result is displayed in this form. I don't know how to FD50. Next one is backward command. Backward command tells the turtle to move in backward direction on the screen. It draws a line as it moves. Turtle does not turn its head as it moves back. You can use backward or BK command in a similarly way as forward command. Like this. This is an example of backward command. BK or backward spacebar, number of steps. Like this. It moves the turtle in backward direction 50 steps. And if you want to move the turtle back with forward command using a minus sign, press minus I before the number of steps like this. It moves the turtle forward with backward command using a minus sign. Next one is right command. Right command is used to turn the turtle to its right or clockwise direction. It is written as right spacebar, number of degrees. This is an example of right command. Type RT means right 90 in the command input box and press the enter key to execute the command. This is the home position of the turtle. As we know that at home position, turtles present in the middle of the screen and after typing command it displays result like this. RT90 means right 90. Left command is used to turn the turtle to its left or anti-clockwise direction. The example of this command or process of this command is left spacebar, number of degrees. For example, type LT. LT means left 60 in the command input box and press enter key. The turtle turns to its left through 60 degree like this. Before command and after command. At left 60. The result of turtle is this. Next one is CS. CS stands for clear screen. This command is used to clear the complete drawing on the main screen, which is made by turtle. It is written as CS, then click on execute or enter to clear the screen like this. CT stands for clear text. It clears all the commands written by you in the commander input box. The syntax of this command is CT, then press enter key to clear all the commands. HT stands for hide turtle. HT command disappears turtle from the screen. It is written as HT enter. This is the screen before use of HT command. After typing HT and then click on execute button or enter button, the result is displayed in this form. The turtle disappears on the screen. ST command. ST stands for show turtle. It shows the turtle again on the screen like this. Before use of ST command, the result is this, and after using ST command, the result is this. It shows the turtle again on the screen.